Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to attach a file in AWeber. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, click on Automation. Now you can either edit an existing campaign or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll create a new campaign, so click on Create Campaign. Next, you can choose a template or start with a blank canvas. For this tutorial, we'll continue with a template. Now select the pencil icon, click on Send Message, and open the selected message URL. You're now in the drag and drop editor. Type the text where you want to insert the link and customize it as needed. Once you've finished editing, you'll need to use a file hosting platform to upload your file and get the link. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Drive. Click on the three dots, share the file, copy the link, and click Done. Then, go back to the website, paste the link, and click Save. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.